In this demo, I built an AI overdue invoice reminder and payment follow-up automation for small businesses. The problem is that businesses often send invoices but forget to follow up consistently when payments become overdue. Someone has to manually check the due dates, calculate how late each invoice is, write the appropriate reminder, contact the client, alert the owner, and update the payment records. This can take time and create unnecessary cash flow problems. So I created two connected workflows in Make.com using Google Sheets, Make built-in AI, Gmail, a custom webhook, and Postman. The first workflow handles overdue invoice reminders. The business stores its invoices in Google Sheets. Each row contains the invoice ID, client details, invoice amount, currency, invoice date, due date, payment status, and payment link. Every morning, Make searches for invoices that are still unpaid and whose due dates have already passed. The automation calculates how many days each invoice is overdue and assigns the correct reminder stage. An invoice that is 1 to 3 days overdue receive a friendly reminder. An invoice that is 4 to 10 days overdue receive a second reminder, while an invoice that is more than 10 days overdue enters a final follow-up stage. The invoice details and reminder stage are then sent to Make built-in AI. Make built-in AI creates a professional payment reminder with correct tone. It includes the invoice ID, outstanding amount, payment link, and recommended next action. The structured AI output is separated using JSON parsing, and a router sends each invoice through the appropriate follow-up route. For the first case, this invoice is 3 days overdue, so the customer receives a polite friendly reminder. The second invoice is 8 days overdue. It receives a more direct reminder, and because it is a high-value invoice, the business owner also receives an internal alert. The third invoice is 18 days overdue. It receives a final professional reminder, while the owner receives an escalation alert stating that manual follow-up is now required. After each action, the original invoice row is updated with reminder stage, days overdue, last reminder sent, next follow-up, reminder count, and owner alert status. A separate follow-up log also records every reminder that was sent. The second workflow stops reminder when the payment is received. For this demonstration, Postman simulates a payment platform sending payment data to a Make webhook. The request includes the invoice ID, amount paid, payment date, and transaction ID. Make finds the matching invoice, changes its payment status to paid, clears the next follow-up date, and sends a payment confirmation email to the client. It also returns a structured JSON response to Postman confirming that the invoice was updated and that future reminders have been stopped. Because the daily reminder scenario only searches for unpaid invoices, the paid invoice will no longer be processed. This automation helps businesses follow up consistently, improve cash flow, reduce repetitive administrative work, and maintain a complete history of every payment reminder. It can also be connected directly to accounting platforms, payment gateways, CRMs, or invoicing system through webhooks and APIs. Instead of manually checking every unpaid invoice, the business gets an automated accounts receivable workflow while keeping final financial and escalation decisions under human control.